Hi there, my name is Ray Wilkinson and I'm one of the English program instructors with the Avant English program. And I am here to share with you some very helpful tips for the TOEFL IBT reading test. Tip number 1. Most of the questions on the TOEFL IBT reading test are going to be multiple choice, where you are given 4 options and you choose the best one. However, be very careful because usually the last question or the last 2 questions in a passage will ask you to choose more than one answer. So read your instructions carefully. Tip number 2 for the TOEFL IBT reading test. Within the same reading passage, you can move forward and backward and work through the questions in any order that you want. However, you cannot do this across different reading passages. Once you finish the first passage and you click to move on to the second, you cannot go back and change your answers for the first one. So be very careful. Tip number 3 for the TOEFL IBT reading test. As you read through the passages, you will be able to take notes. The testing center will give you paper and pencil. The reading passages are not that long. Honestly, they're between 700 to 800 words, but easily manageable in the time that you're given. The very last tip that I have to give you for the TOEFL IBT reading test is that sometimes in a reading passage, you will also see illustrations, images, and graphics to help you understand the topic of that reading passage. So look carefully and see what your test has on it. So those are all the tips that I have for you today for the TOEFL IBT reading test. Hey, if you're interested in learning a little bit more, come join the Avant English program. All you have to do is apply now at our Avant Healthcare website. See you soon.